Hello and welcome back. This is episode 12 of 40 Years 40 Reasons. In this installment, we're discussing the flexible licensing options GibbsCAM provides to our customers. With GibbsCAM, we offer customers the choice of either an annual subscription or a perpetual license for any of our packages. Perpetual licenses are still our most popular choice, as this allows to purchase the software as a capital investment and own as an asset. Your software can be kept up to date through our software maintenance program. Another option we provide is the availability to lease the software annually. This allows the software to be treated as an operational expense. The subscription option includes the software maintenance plan. Our latest offering is our short-term rental license. These are available in 1, 2, or 4-week increments and available for our Go Milling and Go Turning packages. These offer customers a chance to temporarily expand their CNC programming capacity as needed, with minimal cost investment. And finally, in addition to the 3 commercial options I just discussed, we offer the opportunity to test GibbsCAM by requesting a free 30-day trial license. For educational purposes, we also offer dedicated licenses for institutes and students at high schools, tech schools, and colleges. Contact us to review which license type will be most beneficial to you.